Now, an Irish medium school in County Down is building ties with one of Northern Ireland's nearest neighbours. Manx Gaelic is the Isle of Man's native language and is very similar to Irish. This week, teachers from the world's only Manx-speaking school have travelled a few miles across the Irish Sea to Bunscoill in Kilkeel. They say it's the first step in building broader links with Irish language schools here. Rick Farragher reports.
How should 5 be pronounced in Gaelic?
Queg. No, Queg.
This Irish speaker and Manx speaker can't agree, but their languages are more similar than people might think.
To gilt chit for shan yernish as gindut to ramslide to lot yernish Jew beard able the higgle ram guild.
This is how clearly people in the Isle of Man can sometimes see County Down. The Mourne Mountains are a reminder of just how close the two islands are. Increased demand for Manx medium education has meant broadening these horizons.
The languages are similar, the challenges are similar, and the joys of learning in bilingual education are similar too, really.
We've all had to go through the same struggles for identification of rights and about pushing the language forward and getting that publicity out there. The best way to do that, we feel, is by working together.
The Isle of Man is barely 30 miles off our coast. And in recent decades, there's been a spike in the number of people there learning Manx, which is interesting considering that roughly half the island's population wasn't born there. And the connections between here and there go way beyond just a few decades of motorbikes, but centuries of a largely shared language.
Long. Yeah.
Long.
It's very similar to what we learn at school, but it's a wee bit different. So, like, whenever he was saying quig, it was quig, and it was really funny because we kind of had like an argument over it.
Manx language authorities are now aiming to build ties with more Irish medium schools in Northern Ireland. Rick Farragher, BBC Newsline, in County Down.